Kung naniniwala ka sa end of time, sa kaharian ng Diyos, naniniwala ka rin ba? Sa ating gospel, Jesus uses the parable of the fig tree to teach about the signs of the times. Sabi niya, kapag nakita ninyong nag-uusbong na ang puno, alam ninyo na malapit na ang tag-init. In the same way, when we see the signs He described, we know that the kingdom of God is near. This passage reminds us to be watchful and discerning. Hindi natin alam ang eksaktong oras ng pagbabalik ni Jesus. We should not be complacent. Instead, we should live each day as if Christ's return could happen at any moment. Sinabi rin ni Jesus na heaven and earth will pass away, but my words will never pass away. His promises are eternal and unchanging. Kaya sa kabila ng mga pagbabago at kaguluhan sa mundo, we can stand firm in His Word, knowing that it will never fail. Let us keep our faith strong and our hearts ready, always looking forward to the fulfillment of God's promises. G ka ba?